Welcome to the world of vegetable gardening. Ever wondered about the benefits of growing your own vegetables? It's not just about fresh produce, it's about a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Let's start by choosing the perfect location for your garden. Sunlight is key. Next, prepare the soil. Adding compost can provide essential nutrients for your plants. Now, let's get planting. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables like lettuce or radishes. Transplanting seedlings? Make sure to handle them gently to avoid damaging the roots. Watering is crucial for your plant's growth. But remember, too much water can be just as harmful as too little. Fertilizing your plants provides them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Organic fertilizers are a great option. Pests can be a problem, but there are natural ways to keep them at bay. Have you tried companion planting? After all your hard work, it's time to harvest. Look at those fresh, homegrown vegetables. And the best part? Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Bon appetit!